Hello everyone and welcome back. If you want to use your Cash App card for seamless tap-to-pay purchases in stores or online using Apple Pay, linking them together takes less than 30 seconds. Best of all, you don't even need to wait for your physical card to arrive in the post. Your digital visual card, your digital virtual card, works straight away. Firstly guys, let's look at the absolute easiest way to link your card directly from inside Cash App. So open Cash App on your phone, guys. Then tap the Cash Card tab. There's going to be a rectangular card icon on the bottom menu bar. Underneath your card preview, tap Add to Apple Pay, right here as shown on the screenshot. Then just select the device, like your iPhone or Apple Watch, and follow the on-screen prompts to accept the terms and conditions. Your card will immediately sync with your Apple Wallet. Easy as that. Now, if you prefer starting from your iPhone's Wallet app, here's how to set it up manually. So you just open up your Apple Wallet and tap the plus icon, then select debit or credit card, then hit continue, and type in your Cash App card details, or you can also scan the card as well. So for security purposes, Apple Wallet will ask you to verify the link. Tap Open Cash App. When prompted, log in, and tap Confirm to authorize your card. And if you want to use your Cash App card as your primary payment method for quick double-click tap-to-pay checkouts, you can set it as your default too. You open up your Apple Wallet, press and hold your Cash App card, and just drag it straight to the very front of the deck. And whenever you double-click your side button to pay now, your Cash App card will automatically pop up fast. That is it. If this was helpful, guys, leave us a comment, and thank you for watching.